In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Google business profile. A Google business profile is your business's free listing on Google, and it helps you control how your company appears in Google Search and Google Maps. It's a useful tool for attracting local customers, sharing your hours, collecting reviews, and making it easier for people to contact you. To get started, sign in to the Google account you want to use to manage the profile. It's a good idea to use an account that your business can access long term, since this will be the main account connected to your listing. Once you're signed in, go to Google Business Profile and click Manage Now. From there, search for your business name to check whether a profile already exists. If your business appears in the search results, select the option to claim the business. This usually means Google has already created or recognized a listing, and now you're taking control of it. If your business does not appear, choose the option to add your business to Google and create a brand new listing. Next, enter the key business details carefully. Start with your business name and use the exact legal or real-world name of the business. After that, choose the most accurate category for what you do. Be as specific as possible because this helps Google understand your business and show it to the right people. Then add your location and service area. If customers visit you at a physical location, enter your street address. If you go out to serve customers instead, you can list the cities or regions you serve and keep your home address hidden if needed. This step is important because it tells Google where your business operates and who you want to reach. You'll also need to add your contact information, including your business phone number and website. Make sure this information is accurate and up to date so potential customers can reach you without any confusion. After that, Google will ask you to verify your business. This step confirms that your business is legitimate. Depending on what Google offers for your profile, verification may happen by phone, email, postcard, or a short video showing your business location, signage, or equipment. Follow the available method exactly, since verification is required before you can fully manage your listing. Once your business is verified, take a few minutes to customize your page, add your operating hours, write a clear business description of up to 750 characters, and upload high-quality photos. Good photos and complete details make your profile look more trustworthy and help customers feel confident choosing your business. And that's how to set up a Google business profile.